how to change theme on Facebook Messenger. Now, let's say you want to change a theme on this specific conversation that you have. Now, all you have to do in order for you to change or modify the theme that you have on your Facebook Messenger is to tap on that specific conversation, let's say right here, and click on this eye icon on the upper corner right here. Now, once you're here, you will be able to see that under customization, the theme right here. So all you have to do is to tap on that, and now you are given various options to choose from on what theme you want to use. So you just have to scroll down until you find theme that you want to use. Let's say right here. Now, after tapping on that specific theme that you want to use, you will be able to see a preview on how your chats will going to be look like. So once you're done and you have chosen this specific theme, all you have to do is to tap on select, and now you have changed this specific conversations theme. So that's how to change theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope we helped.